Good morning. This is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the Eastern Idaho planning briefing for Sunday, April 26th. First, we'll look at the weather impact summary. For today, we are going to have some afternoon showers and thunderstorms, mainly in the eastern highlands. Not expecting significant impacts from that. We will get breezy today in the Snake River Plain, but right now speeds are expected to stay in the 10 to 20 mile per hour range, just below lake wind advisory criteria for American Falls, but it will still be a little breezy out there this afternoon. We'll have a cold front go through tonight, and we are expecting windy conditions Monday in the Snake River Plain and southern highlands, with mountain showers and thunderstorms expected, especially in the afternoon. Right now, wind speeds are expected to be under advisory criteria, but it will likely reach lake wind criteria, and there's a good chance we'll see blowing dust on Monday afternoon, especially along the interstate corridor from Burley all the way through Idaho Falls. There's the potential for blowing dust, reducing visibilities at times, especially tomorrow afternoon. Will continue to be mild throughout the week, and we do have flood warning out for the Blackfoot River near Henry and a flood advisory for Willow Creek near Ryrie. But again, these rivers are not expected to rise much more than what they are currently at. Looking at the satellite imagery loop, we do see some clouds moving in with the weak system today, and we do have some showers again, the enhanced clouds pushing into the extreme eastern part of the state. And then we have the system, which is going to affect us tomorrow well off in the Pacific, which will move quickly east late today, tonight, and through the day tomorrow. The weather impact overview, again, we'll have some breezy conditions in the Snake Plain and Magic Valley today. Again, 10 to 20 mile per hour sustained winds expected, and some showers and thunderstorms in the eastern highlands as well. On Monday, we do expect some at least minimal impacts, possibly moderate, but right now just minimal for the wind and possible blowing dust in the Snake Plain and Magic Valley and southern highlands, and some isolated to widely scattered thunderstorms in the eastern highlands and the Sawtooth region. Tuesday and Wednesday should have no impacts at all, and then the next system will affect us Thursday with the potential for thunderstorms across all of southeast Idaho. High temperatures today, very similar to yesterday, upper 60s to right around 70 in the lower elevations, Snake Plain, eastern Magic Valley, generally mid-50s to mid-60s at the high elevations. Almost identical tomorrow, even with the cold front moving through. Won't see a significant drop in temperatures. Generally upper 60s in the Snake Plain, mid-50s to mid-60s in the mountains. We'll start to warm up Tuesday ahead of the next system as flow aloft turns more southerly. Again, all the way into the 70s across the Magic Valley, Snake River Plain, generally 60s in the mountains. Wednesday looks to be the warmest day of the week. Many areas in low elevations will get into the low 80s for Wednesday, so generally as much as 15 to close to 20 degrees above normal in some areas. And even the mountains, many areas will get into the 70s on Wednesday. Here's the wind speeds. It says these are sustained, expected this afternoon. Again, everything under 20 miles per hour, generally in the 15 to 20 range from Burley up to Idaho Falls. Maybe some of the Arco Desert could see some speeds over 20. And that continues into the early evening hours. Tomorrow is going to be a bigger issue with the winds behind the front, sustained speeds. Again, just under advisory criteria, but again, enough to most likely pick up some dust and cause some reduced visibilities. Looking at 20 to 30 mile per hour sustained winds across the Snake Plain. And that continues tomorrow evening and should die down after sunset tomorrow. And the wind gusts tomorrow, looking at 35 to 40 mile per hour gusts tomorrow afternoon, again in the Snake River Plain corridor, interstate corridor, Burley through Idaho Falls. So that will be pretty much the summary for today. Again, the main impact is going to be the winds on Monday. Again, right now, actual speeds below advisory criteria, but again, we'll see how we may issue something anyway. But right now, again, everything's below, and again, below lake wind advisory today. That will conclude the briefing. If you have any questions, contact us at the number listed here 24 hours a day or go to our website. Thank you, and everyone have a nice day today.